Hello, lovely people of Ghana. We are Mawutornami Borborbor Group, located in Ho, CK Road, near Vision International School. This year, Borborbor competition, we are part of it. And for us to get to the ultimate prize, we need your support and your vote. For you to vote for us, vote to the short code *920*922#. After that, select 2 from the pop-up option. You will be asked how many times you want to vote, depending on the money you have in your account. After that, you wait. You'll be prompted to key in your code. Then it means you have voted for Mawutornami Borborbor Group for us to be part of the competition. Thank you for doing it for us. That happened in Yota. Yata novi. Yata novi. Koda agbeme.
Ajo,